So this is a vending machine for omikuji, which are fortunes.
Problem is, it doesn't come with a cookie.
It doesn't come with a cookie. Vending machines.
I am the next Spielberg.
Stop.
I go to the vending machine and I buy whatever sari nani nani is.
You're recording this right now.
Yes, I am. I think this is toilet paper.
What is behind that blue panel? Let's check it out. We have the motherlode. Porno magazines down here. And it looks like DVDs. Let's see. I think I'll go for number 10. Yep, she looks like she doesn't have much clothes on anymore. Enough of that. Oh yeah, this is a great combination here. We have one for kids and for not quite so kids.
But Jeff, you don't smoke.
Right, but you know, anybody can walk up to this thing and buy a packet of cigarettes. Now, we'll continue across the street. We have beer vending. Now, isn't this great? Any time of day, you can just walk up, put in a bill, get a beer. You don't even have to deal with a person. Now that I have my beer and my cigarette, to complete my entertainment options, we'll go over to the toy store.
What is that?
Rice. 24 hours.
24-hour rice.
Okay.
Cool. That is so cool.
Wow. In a shopping bag, I have 5 kilograms of rice. With a receipt.
It's an egg vending machine.
Egg! Egg! Holy cow!
No, chicken.
Let's see. I just bought eggs from a machine! Outside! In the middle of nowhere, you can find a drink. Coffee? We found a vending machine that one can use your K-tie to pay for. Your K-tie in front of that. I'm really at a loss on this one. Is that it? Here we go.
Emergency flowers. Oh, I didn't know you cared.
Wonderful. Anna, thank you for being such a great camera woman for my documentary. Here's what you get.
Thanks. Woo.
Noises. Something's coming. Hey! I now have 3 condoms.
Yippee!
Stop AIDS. We have various lingerie items, knickers, yeah, panties, various sakura-ring. So I'm really curious. I have no idea what the sakura-ring is, so let's find out.
How much is it?
1,000 yen. It better be good.
is that? Hold it up to the camera, Jeffy.
I have no idea.
Oh, it looks like a butt ring or something.
I don't know.
I think you shove them up your bum or various other orifices.
Okay.
Oh! Oh my god.
Well, I'm getting a Hello Kitty vibrator.
Oh, what about Doraemon?
Oh, it's a tough call, isn't it? Well, I have a friend back home who loves Hello Kitty. I'm not getting this for her. She'd kill me. I'll get Doraemon.
Oh, get her the Hello Kitty one.
Well, which should I get? Hello Kitty or Doraemon?
I don't know. Toss a coin. Let's janken for it. I'll be Doraemon, you be Hello Kitty. What?
Okay, let's junkin for it.
Right.
Okay, so...
Saishogu janken pop. I call the shot. Right, so you're getting Hello Kitty.
Yeah, Hello Kitty. Sanrio Company Limited. This is official. Yeah, that's vibrating.
Oh, nice.